The Interact Housing Management solution allows you to track corporate housing for your employees and to assign them through specific housing units, and to track the request in case they want to change the housing unit or want to terminate the use of housing units. Housing can be defined as a benefit for which a premium is paid that will be deducted directly from the payroll based on your company policy. The application lets you define the realtors for the leased properties and define different locations, compounds, or towers in which you own or lease property for your employees. You can also define all the individual apartment units that are leased by the company for their employees. For each one, you'll be able to track the number of rooms, whether or not there's an internet connection, the cost per year, and the lease start and end date, and which employees have been assigned to those particular housing units. Once all this information has been loaded into the application, then employees can issue housing requests or housing termination requests through self-service. Here's an example of a housing request, but the employee can also issue a termination request through the same employee's self-service screens. So the HR department, therefore, can process housing requests and housing termination requests and track the assignment of employees to the various housing units. They will be able to run reports on the cost and see when the leases are expiring. They will be able to receive alerts informing them if a specific lease is coming up for renewal or expiry. Workflow will kick in if employees request housing units and can run reports to track the annual costs of each unit. Remember that all of this can be integrated to payroll through the definition of the housing benefit that will allow the payroll to automatically deduct specific premiums in case you are charging your employees premiums for the housing benefit they are getting.